Hello, welcome. Once again, I would like to tell another Aesop story. This one called The Dog in the Manger. The dog lived on a farm, and he liked to walk all around the farm. And he saw the farmer building a large fence. Inside were vegetables and fruit growing. The dog asked, "What are you doing?" The farmer replied, "I am building a fence to protect the vegetables and the fruit, so I and my family will be able to eat in the wintertime." Okay, the farm dog understood. He went on, and he saw a bull, and he asked, "What are you doing?" The bull replied, "I am guarding the cows, protecting them. That is my job." The dog understood and went on his way. And he saw some chickens. And he said, "What are you doing?" And they replied, "We are guarding the hen house and protecting our home and our children." The dog understood, and he went away, and he saw the pig, and he asked her, "What are you doing?" I I am protecting my pen and my children. Go away. We don't need you." The dog left him there and went inside the animal barn, and there he saw hay. So he sat next to, in front of the hay. At night, when the cows came in and entered the barn, the dog was there, guarding the hay. And the cows said, "We want to eat the hay. Let us." And the dog only growled. The cows talked among themselves how stupid, wrong-minded the dog was, guarding and keeping to himself something he could not use and did not want. And the moral of this story is simple. It is right to protect what you need and can use for you and all of those you love, your family. But it is wrong to keep what you don't need and can't use from those who do need it and can use it. Thank you for watching. Remember, always enjoy yourself and have fun.